In today's healthcare, faith-based, and community environments, organizations are being asked to do more than ever before to be safe, compliant, compassionate, and trauma-informed. At He Cares Training and Education Center, LLC, we specialize in trauma-informed education and wellness solutions for healthcare, faith-based, and community organizations. We help organizations strengthen communication, reduce burnout, improve safety, and build trauma-responsive culture while aligning with expectations from regulatory agencies such as CMS, Joint Commission, OSHA, SAMHSA, and CARF. Through CEU accrediting training, organization consulting, leadership development, wellness program, and support group, we equip teams with practical, evidence-based tools they can apply and start using immediately. He Cares is led by Dr. Ferris Corbett, myself, a public health practitioner and a trauma-informed educator, along with our co-founder and executive vice president, Dr. Deidre Willis, a clinical system leader and nurse executive, bringing together public health, nursing leadership, and whole person wellness. We don't just train staff, we help transform organizations. So, if your organization is ready to build a stronger, safer, and trauma-informed culture, then we're ready to partner with you. Visit us at our website, hecarestrainingeducationcenter.org, and schedule a discovery video call with us today. He Cares Training and Education Center, where we educate, equip, empower, and transform. And we also provide services for individuals as well. So again, go on over there and visit our website, He Cares Training Education Center.org, and schedule your discovery call today. All right, we're waiting to hear from you. Bye-bye now.